Hey everybody, today's going to be a fun, fast video showing you how I will go from this to full volume in just a short amount of time. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the wide tooth comb. You can find these, I actually just saw them the other day at Dollar Tree. You can order them online, they're very low price. This is going to make your hair have a lot more volume. So first thing I'm going to do is put it underneath and pull out. I'm going to go all the way around. You don't want to go too far out because you could disrupt your curl pattern. You can already tell my hair's starting to get fuller. And I'm going to go in from the back and do the same thing. So I'm just going to lift my hair up here and go underneath just like that. Okay, now I'm going to turn it upside down. Do the same thing back here. Flip back over. And the next thing I'm going to do is go in with some hairspray. This is Nexus Comb Through Finishing Mist. I'm going to go underneath, so I don't want to spray on top of my hair when I spray underneath. So I'm going to take this, part it over to the side, and I'm going to spray the underneath section. If you really want to add volume, you could spray this with water and then go in with a diffuser on it, and it'll even give you more volume. But this is just the fast way to do it on a refresh day. This is day 4 for me. All right, so I'm gonna flip that part back over. And I'm gonna go to this side, do the same thing. And kind of just tease it just a little bit. It's okay to tease underneath because it won't develop frizz on the other side, on the top side. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and do underneath. Okay, final thing I'm gonna do is go back with my comb. And I'm just gonna kind of push it up. So I'm grabbing a section of hair, pushing it up. And don't worry about the frizz, we will get rid of that in just a minute. Okay, pull up. Same thing on this side. You don't want to do this a ton, but just a little bit. This is going to add more. Okay, and then last thing is I'm going to go in with Bio Silk Therapy Light. It's just like an oil. It's going to add shine to my hair and kind of smooth down the top part where we fluffed it. And that's it. This is day 3 refresh. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. And I hope this helped you out, and try it out. Let me know how you like it.